now we're gonna remove the running motor and replace it. Okay, so the first steps that we need to do is first we need to remove these 3 screws right here. This one. And these also are going to be hard. You need to push up against it. Sometimes what I do is I push it up against a wall because I don't want to strip them, and I push really hard and then I turn it, and it should be able to release them. But sometimes it could be hard, and if you strip them, then it's going to be very difficult to get it off and replace the running motor. Okay, once you remove those 3 screws that hold the running motor into this little bracket, we need to remove these 4 screws on the top. Also, make sure you put a lot of pressure on here to release these, because these also can get stripped. And the reason they're so tight sometimes is because it has a fine thread on the screw. Okay, so you remove all 4 of those like that. And you turn the roller around right here, and then we got to remove these 2 screws right here. This other bracket right here needs to be removed. These 2 screws also, putting a lot of pressure again forward and then twisting it to release the screw. Once you remove those, okay, once you remove those 2 screws on the other side, you might have to cut a couple of tie straps off here. Get that off of there. Then also you need to remove the sensor here, and by doing that you need to remove this screw right here because it's holding on to the connection. You can also cut it up here and remove the let's do that instead. Let's cut it here just so you can see, and then you can remove this connection here right there. So now it's not attached anymore. And then so now to remove the whole running motor, you need to get a crescent wrench and bend this down. All right, and you bend it down so the motor and the rod come off just like that.